Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pops. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Supreme. Love you.
Happy birthday, Uncle.
Happy birthday to my only brother. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Uncle Emmett. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Everybody was saying Emmett. Happy birthday, Uncle. Happy birthday, babe. Happy birthday, babe. Happy birthday, babe. Happy birthday. We love you.
Hey, Dad. Happy birthday. I love you so much. Mwah.
This is my baby cleaning fish for the first time on tape. Okay, guys, I had to interject. This was literally 4 years ago before he even thought about making a YouTube channel.
Make us a YouTube video how to clean fish. And right here, you make sure you get behind the fin. Down on the bottom there, this one here's a little bit tough, so got to put a little more elbow grease on him. There we go. Yep. Get this one in Miss Valerie. Now you take your knife and insert it in the bottom like such. And just slightly incision. And see there, all the guts gonna just come out like that. You take your finger, stick your finger on the inside of them like that right there. Oh yeah, look at that there. See, that's a shrimp from earlier. Let me hold it up so y'all can see. It's shrimp from earlier. He was eating on, but I got him. All right, almost done. And this is what you call a grunt fish, for those who don't know. All right, turn the camera off.
Okay, everyone. Duchess is going to say happy birthday to Pops. Come here, Duchess. Sing happy birthday. Go ahead, Duchess. Sing. There you go. Sing. Say. Say happy birthday. Ow! Guess she won't sing today.
I just did 45 of them. You want to do it?
That was 4,000. That was only 4 pounds.
I know it.
Make it 42
Man, you
pounds.
get that.
Take the weight off.
Hmm?
Take the weight off.
Let's see if you can get it one time. Just think real positive.
Kiki did
Stay
10.
right there, and I'll bring it to you. No, stay down, and I'll bring it to you. But you, when you plant your feet, bring it down, blow it out, and push, and you're done. Go. Push, 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 push. You got it. Push. That'll boy. It's my boy. Good job, champ. All right, stay right. It's my 9-year-old. There you go. There you go. Bring it on down. Control it. When you go down, blow out. Hit down, blow out. There you go. Yeah. All right, guys. Supreme Family Garden here. Better yards, better gardens. Well, today, take care of your bodies, guys. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.
Happy birthday, babe. I love you.